Description: Leave-in bionic tonic instantly restores gloss, silkiness, humidity resistance. Bonds an outer lubricating layer to hair's surface to restore silkiness and fluidity. Specially formulated for color-treated hair. Benefits: This leave-in, bionic tonic instantly restores gloss and silky, liquid Y mobility to dry frizzy hair. Suggested use: Shake bottle. Pour small amount in hands, smooth through towel-dried hair. Do not rinse. Style blow dry as usual. Give dry, damaged, frizzy hair a major dose of hydration with this game-changing leave-in treatment. Activated by the heat of your blow dryer, it infuses hair with a proprietary complex of 1,8-MEA and coconut oil to instantly bond a healthy layer of hydration to hair's surface. The result? Restored hydration and silky smooth, detangled, frizz-free hair that's in swing Y condition. Top reviews from the United States. Softnesses. Wow gives you your bang for your buck.